In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam Cursor Chat in team meetings. FigJam's Cursor Chat is a simple, lightweight way to talk with your team right on the canvas without breaking the flow of a meeting. It's perfect for quick clarifications, quiet brainstorming, or getting consensus while someone is presenting. Because messages appear next to your cursor, everyone can see who's speaking and exactly where their attention is, which keeps collaboration clear and fast. Here's the core move you need to know. Press the / key on your keyboard to start cursor chat. That's the /, the same key that often shares space with the question mark. Make sure your cursor is on the FigJam canvas and you're not actively typing in a sticky note, a shape, or a text box. Otherwise, the / might just type a character instead of opening chat. When you press the /, a small chat bubble pops up right at your cursor. You can start typing immediately, and your teammates will see your message appear next to your pointer as you move around the board. Use this to keep meetings smooth. If someone is explaining a concept, write a quick note like, "Need a slower walkthrough on step 2," without interrupting. During planning, drop a short aligned or blocked need design review next to the relevant area of the canvas. In brainstorms, you can add quick prompts or reactions while others are adding stickies, helping you capture thoughts in the moment. Keep messages short and specific so they're easy to scan, and consider using clear keywords or simple emoji for fast comprehension. This keeps the spoken conversation focused while the group still shares context and momentum. If pressing the / key doesn't bring up the chat bubble, you're likely focused on an object or tool. Click on an empty spot on the canvas, or press Escape to return to selection, then try the / again. Also double-check your keyboard layout if you're on a non-US keyboard. The / might be in a different spot. Make sure you're working in a FigJam board with the canvas visible, and that your pointer isn't inside a text field. If your team uses strict moderation settings, you might need the file owner to confirm that live interactions are allowed. To wrap up, remember the single action that unlocks it all. Press the / key to start cursor chat. Practice it a couple of times at the beginning of your next meeting so everyone knows what to expect, keep messages concise, and enjoy smoother, more inclusive collaboration right on the canvas.